Hello friends, let us take what are the cost in manufacturing company. As far as costing in manufacturing companies are considered, when you consider a balance sheet, you will see that in balance sheet there is always a income statement. Now income statement is basically divided into revenues, cost of goods sold, what is gross margin, what are the marketing and administrative expenses, and what is operating income. So basically balance sheet, how it works, there are some direct material purchases. For example, the cost which is required for purchasing of raw materials for manufacturing any kind of product. If you want to manufacture sugar, then you will have to purchase some sugar cane. So sugar cane is the raw material, right? The cost which is required for purchasing sugar cane is nothing but the direct material purchases. Now when that material is purchased, you have to keep inventory of that materials. So you have to do some stockment is done in the warehouses. So the cost will be also be required for maintaining that inventory, right? Now from the market, for making sugar out of sugar cane, you will require some human resources which will work. So here the labor come into existence, and the laborers need to be paid wages or some salary is there. So this is nothing but the direct labor cost. Now what are indirect manufacturing cost? Indirect manufacturing cost is nothing but where basically indirect manufacturing cost, if there is some losses in manufacturing, some loss is produced, that will lead to indirect manufacturing cost. Now combining all these things, you have to process that inventory. So the work in process inventory is to be done. Now work in process inventory means, now you have brought the sugar cane in, now you are crushing that sugar cane, right? When you are crushing that sugar cane, you will get different kind of products in between. From the milk, if you want to prepare ice cream, then there are different stages. You will get curd, you will get some different stages in between, and then only the ice cream is going to get produced. So ice cream is nothing but the final good produced. Now here in sugar cane, final goods inventory is nothing but the sugar which is produced. Now sugar can be of different types also, big lump size or small lump size. So that is finished goods inventory. So in the income statement, we take the revenues. Revenues means by selling of the sugar, how much the cost of goods sold is there. Then second part is basically of the gross margin. By selling, how much margin you produced, how much was the marketing and administrative cost. Marketing means for selling of the sugar, how much advertising you did, or how much marketing or marketing people you applied in order to sell it to the shopping malls. So these are nothing but the period cost, right? Now how you can say it are periodic cost, because if the product is produced, then only the marketing will be done, and then only administrative expenses are being necessary. So these are periodic cost, right? Now after say for example, you purchased 100 tons of sugar cane, which took actually $10,000, and you produced a sugar, say for example, of 50 tons, and you sold it for $1 lakh. So my dear friends, you made a profit of $90,000. So that is nothing but the operating income. So as far as the cost in manufacturing companies considered. So hope you understood this is how the cost of manufacturing works. We'll see in the upcoming slide two type of cost system, that is job costing system and process costing system. Thank you and stay tuned.